Long press the switch button to turn it on. Warm-up time 60 seconds. Boot complete. Enter the detection interface. Press OK to switch to the graph. Press the menu key. Press the menu key to enter the password 51. Enter the menu detection interface. Menu includes zero calibration, concentration calibration, factory resume, data logging, alarm settings, system settings, unit settings, other settings, native information. Enter zero calibration. Select the gas channel to be calibrated. Just press the OK button. The concentration is more accurate. Set the first level concentration value to the standard gas value. Then pass in the standard air. When the value stabilizes, just select calibration. Factory resume. Select the recovered gas channel. Concentration can be restored. Recovery alarm. Restore all. Data logging. And search. Open as prompted. Select back menu. Select system settings. Storage settings. Open storage. You can choose the gas channel. Alarm settings. Set the alarm value. Low alarm and high alarm. Way to alarm. Alarm mode. System settings. Range. Current date time. Storage. Open and close. Data communication. 001255 can be set. Baud rate selection 9600. Time. You can set a new password. Alarm settings. Unit settings. Other settings. Switch between Chinese and English. Gas name or molecular formula. Maximum off and on. Native information. System information. Sensor information.